Hi friends, today I am going to discuss top 5 minutes question analysis part 1. In this video, we are going to present one kind of MCQ and their detailed explanation. Question is from fallacies, from Indian logic, that is from general paper. That is a paper 1 of the UGC net JRF paper 1. Yes, without any delay, we are moving to the question. The question is, one kind of statement is given. Teenage students are so irresponsible in nature. Which kind of error or fallacy mentioned here? Teenage students are so irresponsible in nature. Which kind of error or fallacy mentioned here? One kind of statement is given and 4 options is given. Identify which type of error or fallacy here mentioned. The options are option A, appeal to ignorance fallacy. Then option B, ad hominem fallacy. Then the third option is appeal to authority fallacy. Final option is none of these. We are going to the direct explanation of this question. After this explanation over, we will do this question. Okay, we will move on the explanation of this question. We know about fallacies. What do you mean by the fallacies? Are like errors. In the conclusion, maybe getting an error. That may be the logical aspects of getting an error. Content of getting an error. Like we can classify these fallacies into 2 aspects. That means formal fallacy, like errors in the logical aspects, like informal fallacy, that means errors in the content. In this question, 3 options or 4 options are given. These options are from informal fallacy. That means the options are given informal fallacy. Yes, the 4 type of fallacies we are going to discuss. First one is appeal to ignorance. Appeal to ignorance. Appeal to ignorance. The first option, appeal to ignorance fallacy. That means no one can actually prove. That is ghost. Ghost. We cannot prove. Some people believe that there may be ghost, but we cannot prove this concept. We cannot prove. The people cannot prove this concept. That is called appeal to ignorance. This type of error is called appeal to ignorance. That means no one can actually prove this concept. Then second one, ad hominem fallacy. Ad hominem fallacy. The option is given, second option is given, ad hominem fallacy. That means ad hominem means attack a person. That we can see that several news interviews, we can see that one political party leader attacks the other political party leader. We can see that several interviews. Without understanding the statements or premises, without understanding the premises, a person attacks another person. That means this political leader is not good. This political leader is good. Like we can attack this person directly. This is called ad hominem fallacy. Then the third one, appeal to authority fallacy. That means here authority is misused. That means that is called appeal to authority fallacy. We can see that several advertisements like I will give the simple example. We can see that toothpaste advertisement, we can see that some dentists are recommended this kind of toothpaste, or like some doctors are recommended this kind of toothpaste. We cannot predict that is surely that is doctor. We cannot predict this kind of advertisement. This kind of false advertisements may occur, may not be occur. That is false advertisement. In this kind, the such errors is called appeal to authority fallacy. Several advertisement like toothpaste, dentist is recommended this type of toothpaste. We can see that several advertisement. Then final one is hasty generalization fallacy. Hasty generalization fallacy means the false generalization. That means teenage students are irresponsible. This one is false generalization. Teenage students are irresponsible. Male peoples are less active in sports. Like this one is the false kind of statements. False generalization. That is called hasty generalization. Then we move on the question. Teenage students are so irresponsible in nature. We can see that this one is one kind of false generalization. That is called hasty generalization fallacy. In this option, hasty generalization fallacy is not at all given. That means none of this is the right answer. This one is not appeal to ignorance fallacy, not ad hominem fallacy, not appeal to authority fallacy. This one is right answer is hasty generalization fallacy. This kind of fallacy is not at all given in this question. So none of this is the answer. None of this is the answer. Okay, friends. Carefully see this question. This kind of question is widely repeating in our examination. formal fallacy and informal fallacy. Some kind of statement is given. Identify which type of fallacy here mentioned. Repeated question area. Okay friends, we are completing this day part 1 of top 5 minutes analysis. Yes friends, top 5 minutes question analysis part 2 will be soon uploaded. This one is a part 1 of top 5 minutes question analysis. Part 2 will be soon uploaded. Wait for that video. Kindly thank you for watching.